Welcome yet again to another edition of Video Learning Uganda. This is Senior 4 Biology where we are, and I would like to thank the parents for supporting Video Learning Uganda to give the work to you, the candidates outside there, the Senior 4s who are enjoying this, and also the semi-candidates who may be following us and as well visiting our YouTube channels. Thank you very much. This is Video Learning Uganda. We are into question 6. Our question 6 part A reads, define complete metamorphosis. Part B, describe the life cycle of a housefly. And part C, how do we control the diseases caused by a housefly in a homestead? So this is our question 6. Remember, our YouTube channel is VLearning Uganda. Now, complete metamorphosis is a process where an insect passes through 4 stages of development. When we talk of the 4 stages of development, we mean the insect passes through the egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. Those are the 4 stages of development in complete metamorphosis. Now, in describing the life cycle of a housefly, we will begin with the egg stage. The eggs are white in color, they are oval shaped, about 1 millimeter length, laid in batches of about 100 to 150 eggs. The eggs are laid in damp, moist places, and they take about 12 to 24 hours to change into larvae. Now in the larval stage, larvae have 12 segments. They are segmented, in other words. They have spiny pads for locomotion, they feed and grow. They have a pair of spiracles for breathing. They take about 4 to 5 days to change into pupil, and there is what we call molting. They molt twice before changing to pupil. Now under pupil are brown in color. They are barrel shaped. They are enclosed in a hard case called puparium. There is no feeding in this stage. There is reorganization of tissues, and then they take about 7 to 9 days to change into adults. Now we get into the adult stage. The adult emerges from the puparium. The wings expand, dry, and harden, and then the adult flies away. This adult will take 14 days to start laying eggs. So that's why we're calling it a life cycle. So now the egg will now go back to larval, pupil, and then finally another adult, which is clearly summarized in what you're seeing right there on your screen. So that is the life cycle of a housefly. So the diagram is summarizing it very well, which should help you memorize what we've just been talking about. Now for part C, how do we control diseases caused by a housefly in a homestead? Remember, houseflies are very common in houses. That's why we call them houseflies. By covering all food, you have to cover the food. Smoking the latrine, for those who have latrines. These days people have toilets, but I hope those who have latrines, you have practiced this. By spraying, that is fumigation, maintaining proper disposal of feces, and then proper disposal also of household refuse. As we always do, also at the end of every question, we give you some guiding notes. On the screen right there is how a housefly looks, and it's called Musca domestica. It is the most common fly species found in houses, most common, with very big eyes. And you can take and pause this and read more about what I'm talking about. On the screen right now is question 7. You are advised to try it before we give you the solution, as we make it clear to you in our next video. we have also given you the marks right there to guide you on how and what you're supposed to write, and then you check with your notes. Allow me thank you for viewing, and for more videos feel free to raise up that number, call us on that number, and also you can visit us on YouTube at Learning Uganda for more videos that you may have missed out. Thank you.